Let us see one very interesting case. Here I declare a variable x. I initialize this one by value 10 and it is an integer type of variable. Observe very carefully. Y is a constant integer variable. I initialize this one by the value 20. Clear this point? What is y? It is constant integer. We know that at the time of compilation, compiler won't change this value, won't allow to change this value. We have seen the example. At runtime we can change the value of y, but at the time of compilation, compiler won't allow you to change this value. Okay, now observe carefully. Here I have declared a pointer ptr1. How I have declared it? Constant integer star ptr1. This means pointer to constant integer. The variable will be constant, but pointer is not constant. Constant keyword is appear before integer word, and hence it is pointer is not constant, but pointer is pointing to say variable x. Then in that case the x will behave like a constant integer. I explained this one with the help of diagram 2. Now observe carefully one interesting point. Here I have incremented x. X is a normal variable, and I have incremented y. Y is a constant variable. Just press Ctrl F9. What happened? There is an error. What is that error? Cannot modify a constant object in function main. What is it exactly? You see, here y is a constant integer variable, and that is why in this program y++ is not allowed. Okay, so what I will do is that I will place say comment, and let us execute the program again. Yes, it is executed. See the output, 1111 is displayed. Why it is so? Can you guess? Observe carefully. It's a very important point. This is a pointer variable. Okay, ptr1. I have declared constant integer star ptr1. This means pointer to constant integer. Now that integer should behave like a constant. But here, after doing x++, we are getting the output x is equal to 11 and star ptr is equal to 11. Just see the output. Why it is so? Can you guess?